Meaning of insectivorous.
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 Insectivorous. The term insectivorous refers to organisms that primarily feed on insects. This can apply to a wide range of creatures, including certain birds, mammals, and especially insect-eating plants. These organisms have adapted to subsist on a diet high in protein and nutrients found in insects, and have developed various specialized strategies for catching and consuming them. Insectivores play an important role in many ecosystems, both as predators and as prey, and help maintain the balance of populations within those ecosystems. Overall, insectivorous describes a fascinating and diverse category of living things with unique and interesting adaptations.